A lot of people on Squarespace, they don't actually know how to change their homepage from what was assigned to them by Squarespace. So imagine this, you have got a template to start off, and Squarespace gives you this specific homepage, and you go ahead and in the back end and you start to build out your own homepage with all of your own designs, all of your own content. And it comes to switching it to the new homepage, and you don't actually know how to do it. Luckily, even though it's a little bit hidden, it's really easy to do. So I'm going to show you an example and then how to do it now. On the site here, this is the homepage Squarespace has assigned to me, and don't get me wrong, it looks beautiful. But for the purposes of this video, if we head into pages, you'll see I've created a brand new one, which I'm not going to lie, is just a complete template, hence all the, make it stand out nonsense. So let's say this is your new homepage and you love it, you're happy with it, and you want to set it live, and you've called it homepage new or home new to differentiate it and make sure that, you realize which one's the homepage you want to roll with. If I click the cog next to home, you'll see that it has the URL slug of home. So for my homepage here, it has to be called home new, which I don't want. If I try to do home, it says it's in use. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to go to the old homepage, and this whole process takes like 10 seconds. And we'll just say home old. And then it's still the home page, so we can now quickly swap it out. We're going to call this one home, and then we're going to say set as home page. Confirm that, save that, and then when we click on home, there we go. That is our new home page. You can confirm that by clicking your site title or your logo, and you can check the home icon next to the page. The final thing to do is just change it to home, save, and then you probably just want to disable this page here or delete it if you want. Usually I like to keep a backup just in case. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.